Lou email and text messaging is an integration that allows you to communicate with your customers about service scheduling, accounting, and sales. Your technicians in the field can send service messages to notify customers when they're on their way, when they've arrived, and when they've departed. You can send customers copies of their invoices, payment receipts, and customer statements. You can also send customers estimates, in addition to sales orders and work orders. Customer text messages are outbound only. They're sent from a text number which cannot reach Evisys. Customers cannot use Lou to opt out of text messaging once you've activated Lou's text messaging in their profile. But just like any automated text messaging service, they can use the standard "stop" reply to a text message to be unsubscribed. When a customer has unsubscribed, you won't be notified in Lou, but the customer will stop receiving text messages. If a customer has unsubscribed from text messaging and wishes to begin receiving text messages again, they can text START to 971-256-5657, and they'll begin receiving text messages upon triggering events once again. After you activate and configure the Lou text messaging integration, all customers with a phone number on file will begin receiving text messages as the next triggering events occur. Like text messages, customer email messaging is outbound only. The no-reply email address where the email messages come from can't be changed or customized, but you can change the from name, which appears in the from field of the email by using the email preference button. If you do not change this, the from name will default to the Lou team. You can choose to send only text messages, only send emails, or send both. If you choose both types, you won't get to choose which type of message goes out to the customer. The Lou text messaging tile is currently showing that it's inactive. So, let's click the tile and change the status from inactive to active by clicking the toggle you see here. Upon clicking the toggle, a message will display letting us know that activating this integration may have an associated cost that will affect monthly billing. Let's click the Yes button to confirm. We also want to activate Lou email messaging, so let's click the back arrow, locate the Lou email messaging tile, and just like before, we want to click the toggle to activate this integration. I'll click Yes when the notification pops up, and then from here, we click the Configure button. From here, we'll customize the messages for the categories or triggering events. Let's first customize the On My Way text message. So click the Actions drop-down and then Update. Let's toggle on the first option to automatically send a text message to the customer when our technician is on their way. When we click the toggle to the On position for Send Email Message, we'll need to enter the email subject name. For this example, I'll type NC South Solutions Service Call. For the email body, I'll type, "This is a quick note to tell you that a service technician is on their way to your service call location." Let's also send text messages, so we'll click the toggle here. We'll say, "NC South Solutions would like you to know that the service technician is on their way to your service call location." Now we can click Save. Repeat this process for both text and email content for each of the triggering events you would like to send to your customers.